I'm Sherrill Milne.
And we are cooking. I hope that you are going to watch
Cooking with Denyce.
That's right. It's a fabulous show, and she's amazing in it. So Sherrill and I love to eat, we love to sing, but we also
Love to cook.
That's right. Hang on, I think we need some of Denyce's wonderful spices from the salt table. Let's see if we have any here. Oh my gosh, we do! This is amazing. This is the Denyce Opera Blend, and it is just like her. It's pretty, it's spicy, it's tangy, it has a little zest. I mean, the colors are beautiful. So let's go ahead and put them on our salmon.
Let's do it.
Wow, check it out. Oh, that is so pretty. Look at that, all those beautiful colors, a little peppercorn, a little lavender, a little lemon zest. I mean, it's just stunning. Oh yes, and a little lemon too.
Well, of course.
So make sure that you put a little bit of Denyce's Opera Blend in your kitchen from the salt table and watch.
Watch Cooking with Denyce.
Bye-bye.